Hey guys, this is a quick video. I just got my Galaxy Samsung S3. It's from AT&T. I want to get a iPhone 5, but everybody was like, I don't know, like complaining about it. So I got this one to see how it works. Let me open right here. This is how it comes. I already put the battery in. Sorry for that. It's very thin. Very, very thin. It's not little. Comes with the instruction book. At least, like I said, mine is from AT&T. Comes with a guide, pair of headphones, and the charger. And that's about it. So USB charger, so you can see right here. Sorry about that. Right here is the wall charger. I'll be buying the car charger like after. And you see it's a USB, but let's go to the phone. Turn. See, the thing had the button right here, like almost all the phones. It has it right here in the side. You press it and it goes whoop. And let's just flip it around a little bit. I already put Facebook, Sedge. That's pretty good for music, ringtones, and wallpapers. And now they have games and live wallpapers. Mr. Number for those that calls that you don't want or text. And Briscas, but that's like a game. Like you see, it's like brand new. I haven't put this. The phone brings it. This the phone brings it, and that's about it. The good thing that I found about the emails is that you can put like all the email accounts that you have in one, and it tells you like if you have 10 email accounts, you could like synchronize it into one. And the camera is pretty good. Has the same thing as a panoramic view that everybody's saying about the iPhone 5. Like it has the same thing, and this already brings it the phone. Like it's very simple. If you have ever used another Android phone, you could like get along with this one. It's not very complicated. The volume is here. The charger is down here, and it's very easy. So I think that's it, guys. See, I always get like confused because I used to have an HTC Evo, but I always get confusing here, like President, but now I have to get used to President right here. So guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy S3. Well, I don't know if it's better than an iPhone because I have never had an iPhone. I went to get an iPhone today and they didn't have, but like 2 guys had it and they were already like, oh, it's the same. It only has 2 or 3 things different. So I had an HTC. I just needed a switch of company, so I decided to get a Samsung S3. If I have any problems, I swear to God, I will post them. I'm a very honest person. I cannot give you a review. I show you opening the box, but I will be commenting a review and I will be very honest about it. Like, give me at least like 3 or 4 days, and I'll be very honest about the review, about the battery life, about like the things that I have seen already. Like I like them, but I haven't even have it like for 3 or 4 hours. But that's why I'm telling you, give me 2 or 3 days, and I'm going to be very, very honest, and I'm going to post a review. Hope you like my video. Keep watching more. Bye.